Everyone, this is Steve Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video. Ang Ahoof compilation sa video to further ado, let's start this reaction video. Anong atake? Ahoof inconstantly busy. I took this at Guangxi Airport. Busy nga sila, ma'am. Si JL? Yeah, that is JL. Philippine Airlines? Hindi. Kasi naman yung kurbata. Little moments we forget to take. Notebook open, pen in hand. Writing nothing, writing just because I can. Sometimes beauty doesn't need a frame. Sometimes peace don't need a name. Okay. Ay, hello. Ay, wow. Si Hanyong talaga. Alam mo si Hanyong, ano na talaga siya, no? Chill. Chill daddy. No? Chill na chill talaga siya. Nakita mo yung drama niya doon. Tinan mo, ha? Ay, ang diva. The diva. Ay, no, diba? Chill talaga siya. Ay, Shein. Hala, ang ganda ng polo ni ano. Ang ganda ng polo ni So Jung Woo. Ay. Okay. Paano talaga siya, no? Ay. What is this? Saan sila ngayon? Beautiful life. Okay. Ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Ay! Ay, ito. Gusto ko to. Gusto ko. Si Sangbin pala is from CYE. Okay. From Close Your Eyes. From ganon. Wow, he's really handsome. When I watch your reels, he's really black face. Gusto ko makita yung mata ni Steven. Cute kasi talaga ni Steven. Super cute talaga ni Steven dyan. I swear, grabe talaga ang ano niya dyan. Para siyang aso. Alam niyo yung Neil the Seal? Yung sea lion sa Australia? Para siyang si Steven. Ayun na. Nagsisimula na siya. Nagsisimula na siya dyan for today's video. Ayun na. Yung mata niya. Mata niya.
팬사인 줄 알았어. 오케이, JL.
JL. Ay! Hindi. Ay, hello! Ang gwapo talaga ni Kavayan. Sa totoo lang. Kung ni JL mo? Falling in love. I'm falling. Ay, hello. Ay. This was last week. Napanood ko na ata yan. Wait, paano yung Tili JL? Tama yan, June cover. Our BBDK. Eyes. Parang siya, is that your Weibo? Ay! Ay, it's the hindi for me. It's the hindi for me. I love the hindi. I love the hindi. Okay. The hindi that never disappoints. I know, right? Ay, oh, napaka-OA. Super OA. Okay. Ay. Grabe yung boses ni Parkan dyan, I swear. Hey! Just say yes. Weh! Weh! Just say yes. Ooh, 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 ooh. Grabe yung boses ni Parkan. Gina G? Gina G si Parkan? Totoo ba? Just say yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Just say yes. Si Parkan at Kitty. Wapo ni ano? Okay. Ay, hello. Mami, nanlalandi siya. Nanlalandi siya, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Nanlalandi siya. Ay! Ay! Nauna pala ulit natin. Ay. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay. We want it. Now you need it. Okay. Di pala. Ay! Hello! Oh! Wapo talaga siya. Iba talaga siya. Ay! Wapo talaga siya. Ay, sino? Ay, ano to? Sino yan?
Yeah.
Right, siya ng sponsor kay
Still
Pulong
hasn't had our meeting. Do you want to have one with me? Okay. What do you want?
Hindi ni JL. Wala naman pala nagmamahal ng mga Chinese sa Pilipinas. Ano lang. Ano lang.
Yes.
The shade. The shade.
Why are you so nervous? Because.
All because of you. Charing.
Yes. So good. So you remember? You did right? And then are you sure? No. You just love it. Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Right? Yes.
Anyways, that is our for today's video from Ahofcast. This is K-pop Vlogs. See you in my next one.